In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add shadow on Canva easily. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. First, you need to select image and going to edit. Then scroll down. At the last moment, you can find shadows. I can click on select all. Then here's a lots of type, glow, drop, outline. You can choose which one you need. For example, I choose glow or drop or outline. This is good outline. Then you need to choose right now. Just scroll down again. Then white. You can select any other color as well if you need. Then this is a size. If you need bigger size, you can keep up its bigger. I mean 70, 80 and 90, whatever you need. And if you need smaller, you can keep up it to a small size. You can see it's already working. Now going to share and download design. Thanks for watching. See you again.